My name is Agnieszka and I came here from Calgary, Alberta in Canada. Bali has always been a place I wanted to visit since I was a child, probably, since I can remember. It's just always been impossible for me because it was too far, and this opportunity came up with the yoga retreat, and I love yoga. So I had no hesitations to come here because of the beautiful nature and beautiful people that are here, and I am so pleased I did. This week has been life-changing for me, and the biggest thing that I'm gonna take from it is that I kind of starting to love myself again, and I know who I am because I lost myself, and I know what I love and what I want from life. But the most importantly, I just really enjoy spending time with myself. Life-changing experience, full of fun, wonderful memories, wonderful people, wonderful culture. We'll take it forever and will be forever in my heart.